Using leaves that contains antibacterial properties is a must, because with that you would avoid dandruff, itchy scalp, any type of scalp infestation, which it is one of the biggest reasons why we are not growing healthy hair. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to use one of those. Welcome back, guys. So in this video we have the bitter leaf. Bitter leaf can be found practically anywhere. Like, it's a common leaf that you can find mostly in the Africa part, and historically it has been used to cure many ailments ranging from malaria, typhoid, and a lot of other ailments. Now in this video I'll be showing you one of the ways you can add it to your hair care regimen. Pluck some fresh bitter leaves and go ahead to wash thoroughly, because you wouldn't want dirt getting in. Put it in your pot and add some water into it. And when you add some water into it, you cover it and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. But of course, if you don't want to cook it, you can always use your palm to squeeze it out. That's the way you do it when you want to use it to cook. After 10 to 15 minutes, this is what it's like. It's still all boiling hot, and then I go ahead to leave it to cool off for some time and then strain it out. Now straining it out, I go ahead to transfer it into my spray bottle. Transferring it into my spray bottle, this is what my hair looks like now. My hair is practically screaming and begging for some moisture, because man, what is this? It's all dry and all frizzy, but of course that's what most natural hair, afro natural hair, does. And yes, that is mostly what it looks like, because I've not moisturized in some days. I go ahead to just momentarily spray the bitter leaf water on it, and then go ahead to start working in sections. Like, you know, I always work in sections when I want to apply something like this. Now bitter leaf water is very essential to the hair, because not only does it provide moisture, it also provides the necessary protein for hair growth. It also helps you to stop breakage while adding shine to your hair, and it also keeps your hair in its natural color, like based on retaining the black color of the dark or the black color of your hair. Now guys, if you've watched up to this point, please do well to endeavor to click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, because here on my channel what I do mainly is DIYs, mostly on hair growth, and it's so simple that it's something you can do in the comfort of your own home. So guys, this is basically how I moisturize my hair. I use most people don't really understand what moisturizing means. They just go ahead and apply oil to their hair, and that's what they believe that is moisturizing. But I'm here to tell you that that's wrong. Moisturizing has to do with water. Now the question is, what do I add into the water that is going to help to boost my hair growth? Which in this case, what we are using is bitter leaf. Now bitter leaf is what we're using in this video, but you can as well inculcate any other ones we have done in our previous video. Now after spraying the bitter leaf water on my hair, I go ahead to use my leave-in conditioner, which is Daphne leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is to make it easier for me to work on the hair. As you can see, I'm literally walking through it with my fingers, and this is very important if you want to retain length. If you want to retain the length of your hair, always use your finger to detangle first before you go ahead and use a comb. After the leave-in conditioner comes in the hair butter. Now this hair butter is to help seal in the moisture of the hair. That is why I'm applying the hair butter. That's what the hair butter does. Make sure you work it into your strands, into your hair strands. That's what you see me doing now. And like I said, always use your finger to detangle first. It is very, very important for someone that is gone in to retain hair length, except your hair length and your hair density doesn't matter to you, but all that boils down to you, your hair being healthy. Okay, so guys, that is after working it through, after working it way into the hair strand, because this is hair butter, you don't want it to just be on the surface there. That's why I'm really working it in. Now after that, I go ahead to use my wide tooth comb to comb my hair. Now that's starting from the tip. You start from the tip and then work your way down to the root. That is how to comb natural hair. You don't just go ahead and put in the fangs. Did I call it fangs? Yeah, the fangs of your comb in your hair and start pulling. No, you start from the tip and then work your way down to the root. Now guys, that's pretty much how I moisturize my hair, and then I put it up in a protective style, which in this case we are doing cornrows. I'm done with my whole hair. I'm done cornrowing on my whole hair. Then I go in with my hair oil. Now to oil my scalp, it's very important that after each hair making you use your hair oil to oil your scalp, because all that contributes to healthy scalp. You wouldn't want to be having dandruff and whatnot. So all these treatments, like I'd like to call it, is just to keep your hair safe and your hair healthy. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.